cottage cheese, hash goat, coconut milk, rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the veg recipes and one of the most nutritious of the cottage cheese recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes. Today we are going to make cottage cheese, hash goat, coconut milk rice. The ingredients are 1 onion cut into pieces, 3 red chilies, around 125 to 200 grams of hash goat peeled and cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, 5 to 6 shallots, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 1 spoon of caraway seeds, and around 150 grams of cottage cheese cut into small cubes. Heat the pan, pour in 10 ml of oil, put in the fennel seeds and the caraway seeds and the shallots. Salt, salt thoroughly, salt. Chicken stock, these options. Now putting the garlic piece and the tomato piece. Putting the ashford piece. Thoroughly mix. Now pour in 200 to 250 ml of coconut milk. Mix thoroughly. Put in salt to taste. Mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for 15 minutes. If in a pressure cooker, it requires only 5 minutes of cooking. Now put in 1 cup of rice. After cooking for the required amount of time, and mix thoroughly. Mix the rice thoroughly into the and let it cook for 15 minutes in an open pan, or 3 to 5 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the cottage cheese Ashgold coconut milk rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final cottage cheese Ashgold coconut milk rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the fried rice recipes, and one of the most unique of the veg recipes, and one of the most delicious of the cottage cheese recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.